Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be downloading some free games right here on your Xbox using your Xbox Live Gold membership. So let's just go into My Games and Apps, and from here we're going to scroll down until we see Gold. Under Gold we will see the very first thing, those 3 free games. So they are for a limited time, so let's just click on the first option right here so we can take a further look at them. And like I mentioned, they're for a limited time, so you don't have too much time to download them because we will get another fresh batch very soon. So you only have a certain amount of time to download these guys for free. They're not demos, they're full versions, they're not trials. They're full versions and they should say free, except for any Xbox 360 games such as this one that are compatible with the Xbox One. However, we do need to verify some stuff with that game. So let's just start off actually with the most difficult game, which is this one from Xbox 360. So let's just click on it and you will see what I mean by verify. So once this loads up in a second, we should see the price. So let's just click on see the price. Then we should see free right on the top. So as long as it says free, we are good to go. You guys can go ahead and download this. So right now we can see that it says free up there. So we can go ahead and continue on. Now in your next screen, it should ask you to verify your PayPal or credit card information. Once you guys do that, it will take you to the screen. So this is actually a glitch from Xbox when it's really big like this. Just click on done or just go back. It doesn't matter. It's gonna do this. It's a glitch. And that's only with Xbox 360 games. With the other games, there is no glitch and there is no verification of PayPal, although it's free, right? So let's just go all the way back. Let's click on that Xbox 360 game once again. And we should see this install. So let's just press uninstall because we own this game. And there we go. Right now it's pending because it's doing other updates. We're going to take a look at how big this is in just a second. Let's just go back and we're going to do this guy secondly. So this is an Xbox One game, not an Xbox 360 game. So it's not going to ask us to verify any payment information. Right now it should say free up there, just like you guys saw it. So once again, it should say free. Let's just press on get. Once again, this is free. So make sure to download it only when it says free. That's because it's only free for a certain amount of time. So right now it's pending. That's okay. Let's just go back. Now with these games, they should automatically start downloading once we hit on get. So again, this is Batman. It should say free on the top in just a second. So there we go. We can see it's free. There's only 27 days left. There we go. So each one will tell you how long you guys have until it expires, and you guys can't download it after that. Once you guys download it, you guys could delete it if it's taking up too much space, and then just re-download it whenever because now it's yours. So let's just go back. So the reason I'm going all the way back is to see the full size of each of these games. So right now we should see them right here. I can see there's a lot of stuff happening. So we're gonna pause this guy, which is Fortnite. Let's not uninstall it. Let's just pause the updating on it. And that's because I want to see how big these other guys are. Now we have Batman. Yep. So Batman's going to be big, as I can see. Yep. It makes sense. So there's going to be a lot of episodes into Batman. That's how it usually is. So this will take some time. Now, how long will each one of these take? Well, it depends on your internet speed. And if they're not pausing, they're not downloading for some reason, just restart your Xbox and they will update or start downloading. So that's exactly what I'm going to do right now because I don't see anything happening. So I'm just going to go ahead and restart. Restarting your console doesn't delete anything. It's just like turning off, turning on. Nothing gets deleted. It's very easy to do. So right now we're just going to restart console. So I just restarted my Xbox. It came down to this screen. Now it is updating right away Fortnite, which I tried to pause from before if you guys noticed. So I'm going to go back to my games and apps. And down here, again, we're going to have to pause this because we want to see the games that we just downloaded. So we're going to pause this update and right away these guys should start. Except for Batman. Batman will take a while because it's a lot of episodes that need to download. So we're just going to have to wait for those. However, we can at least see this guy, which is 4.72 gigs. I'm going to pause it again just so we can see the start of the other game that we just downloaded. So let's just pause installation. And here we go. Pause that one. And this one's only 14 gigs. So again, 14 gigs for some of you will take only minutes. Others could take hours. does depend on your internet speed. I'm gonna pause that one as well, so we can see Batman, at least one of the Batmans. The first episode's 4 gigs. So I'm assuming each one of these episodes will be around the same. And there's a few of them. So let's see what happens. Anyways, for now, this is it for this video. If you guys like this content, let me know. If you guys have any questions, comments, anything, let me know right here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.